Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Oaks and congratulations, a new hack for American Express credit card is finally here. In this very important video, we are going to show you how you can apply for Amex credit card with no effect on your credit score. This is indeed a very important approval hack, so make sure you watch this video till the end without missing any part. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video whenever we upload it, and please smash that like button as it really helps the channel. So let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So welcome to the opportunity that you all have been waiting for. Now you can apply Amex credit card, means American Express credit cards, with no impact to your credit score, especially this blue cash preferred card. Remember that having the American Express credit card is itself a privilege, and the people call it a symbol of status. So right here you can get this card with $0 intro annual fee for the first year, and then of course $95 a year. But it has a lot of perks, but we are not talking about that. We are talking about that how you can get approved with no impact to your credit score. This is indeed one of the most anticipated video of current time. Congratulations, because yes, we've been waiting for this opportunity for so long. So let us tell you how you can apply and how you can get pre-approved with no impact to your credit score. And here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's click. So when you click on apply now, we are also going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can click on it and this form will open, right? So it says that no, if you're approved for this card with no impact to your credit score. A very big opportunity. Remember that there is no impact to your credit score when you are going to apply for it, and if you're approved, there will be no impact. Complete the application. We'll let you know if you're approved for first without any impact to your credit score. If you choose to accept this card, information we provide to credit bureaus may impact your credit score, means if you approve the offer, then they might do a hard pull to your credit. So in order to apply for that, you need your full name, your first name, your last name, email address, date of birth, mobile number, home address, and then your social security number, your total annual income, non-taxable annual income if you have any, your income source, and then click right here that if I'm approved and accept the card, send me a one-time text message at the mobile number above to download the American Express app. And of course it is available on iOS and Android only. So congratulations to millions of Americans who are waiting for this opportunity. Now you can know that when you are going to get your card, means if you apply for it, if you're approved, there will be no impact to your credit score before you accept the offer. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, and remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification whenever we upload it, and please smash that like button as it really helps the channel. So thank you so much for all of your love and support. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.